Hi students, good morning. Welcome to my class. Welcome to Be Inspired channel. Today we are going to see what are the rules and regulations of Roman numerals. What we are going to see, rules and regulations of what are the rules and how to convert Roman numerals into Hindu Arabic numbers, and how to convert Hindu Arabic numbers into Roman numerals, and how to convert Roman numbers into Hindu Arabic numerals. By seeing the rules, we'll just go through it. Now, first, we'll pass on the rules. And we all know that the symbols of Roman numbers, they use only 7 Latin symbols. They are I, V, X, L, C, D, and M. And each and every value is given to us. And there are 4 rules. Numerals of the same value are added. A symbol of smaller value put on the right of greater value symbol is added to it. And the third one is a symbol of smaller value put on the left of the greater value symbol is subtracted from that. A symbol of smaller value put between 2 symbols of greater value is subtracted from the symbol from its right. See, I will just explain in detail. And there is no Roman numeral repeated more than 3 times. For example, okay, I will just explain this with the help of an examples. 1 second, children. I will show you my whiteboard and then I'll see. In this we have, for example, we have, I said what I said, there is no Roman number which you are not going to repeat, not repeat more than 3 times. Means what? For example, if I want to write, this is 1, we all know that. This is 2, 3, right? If I want to write 4 like this, I should write. But actually it is wrong. It is wrong. We should not write 4 like that. How to write 4 then? IV. How to write 4? IV. That is the meaning they are saying. Means what? For example, if a smaller symbol is to the left side and greater symbol is to the right side, then I should go for subtraction. What I should go for? Subtraction. In generally, we will do subtraction when bigger number will come first and smaller number will come last. So we all know that D is 5. First we should write V, and minus 1 is equals to 4. This is the way we are going to write. That is the reason they are saying not repeat more than 3 times. And next rule is what they are saying about V, L, D are never repeated. For example, if I want to write 10, how to write 10? We can write 2 V's because V means 5. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Yes, but actually we should not write like this. Why? Because V is not repeated. Means that is the reason there is a special symbol called X is equal to 10. Okay. Now in the same way, what is the next rule they are saying is a Roman numeral of smaller value. Means, for example, if a value is like this, XIV. How to read this XIV? First, you should check X and then IV. Means 10 plus IV means 4 is equal to 14. So you have to expand in this way and then you have to check what is what. How to check? Why can't you take XI and V? No, you can take even in this way also. No, they given this question, right? XIV. You can take as XI plus V. Yes, you can take even in this way. Then it will become xi means 11 plus 5 is equal to 16, right? Even this way also we can take. But why I didn't take? Because here the bigger number written after bigger number, we have smaller number. In our rules, after bigger number, we will not use smaller number. When we will use smaller number after bigger number, when we are doing subtraction, then only we will use. So that is the reason it is taken as x plus iv, that equals to 10 plus 4 equals to 14. In this way you got xiv as 14. Okay, so now we'll solve like this some questions with the help of, we will convert that into, now they'll give some Roman numbers to us, that Roman numbers will convert into Hindu Arabic numbers. Okay children, let's start solving that. Write the Hindu Arabic numbers for the following. So they are going to give some Hindu Arabic numbers to us. For those numbers, you are going to solve these answers. So simple numbers we will solve. So V means yes, 5. Now we go for X, X, X. So X means 10 plus 10 plus 10. So that is 30. Sorry. So next question, XV. So X means 10 plus V means 5 is equal to 15. I said now first bigger number will come, then smaller number will come, then we should go for addition. XLVII. How to write this? First you will write X plus V, sorry, see XL came, X is small, L is big. So that is the reason you are going to take XL one number. And then next V is big, I are small. So how to write XL? L minus X. L means how much? 50 minus X means 10. So XL means 40. VII. This is addition. So that is the reason you can simply go for V plus I plus I plus I is equal to 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So is equal to 8. So what is the answer you'll get? What is the answer? 40 plus 8? Yes. So that is the reason this is 48. In this way, you are going to convert even bigger numbers or smaller numbers. This is simple. XX 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. And then next XLI. XLI. So how you'll take? We already discussed, no? XL plus I. We already got XL is 40 plus I is 1 is equal to 41. Okay. So in this way we can convert Hindu Arabic numbers into Roman numbers into Hindu Arabic numbers.